Number 1.
1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,900, well-preserved 4x4 pickup with only 116,000 original miles, an automatic transmission, a white exterior, a blue interior, and a dependable gasoline-powered 5.7L V8 engine. It has been owned by the same owner for over 33 years and runs and drives exceptionally well with no mechanical issues. The truck has never been involved in any accidents and remains completely rust-free. Its interior is in outstanding condition, featuring seats with no rips or tears, a crack-free dashboard, and fully functional controls throughout. The exterior is also in great shape, showing only a few minor cosmetic blemishes that are expected for a 37-year-old vehicle, equipped with power windows, power door locks, air conditioning, a heater, an AM/FM radio, cruise control, running boards, a canopy, and four-wheel drive. This Chevrolet 2500 offers both comfort and practicality.
Number 2.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,800. It has 198,000 miles and is equipped with a dependable automatic transmission. It features a striking red exterior paired with a clean gray interior and is powered by a reliable gasoline-powered 5.7L Vortec V8 engine. The truck comes well equipped with power windows, power locks, tilt steering, cruise control, and cold air conditioning for a comfortable driving experience. It rides on classic American racing torque thrust wheels wrapped in tires that are nearly new. Having been stored indoors during most winters, it remains exceptionally clean and has been meticulously maintained throughout its life. One of its standout qualities is that it still retains all of its original GM body components, including the grille, lights, bumpers, and other factory-installed exterior parts, with no aftermarket replacement parts. It also includes the factory towing package and original GM floor mats, adding to its originality and value.
Number 3.
1994 Ford F-150, price $7,500. This truck has 194,000 miles and is equipped with a reliable 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a burgundy exterior complemented by a gray interior, offering a classic appearance that has been well maintained over the years. Considering it is over 30 years old, the truck does have a few minor signs of age, but it remains remarkably clean overall. It comes with a clean title and has been well cared for by its owner. The windshield was replaced last year, and it rides on a set of brand new tires with less than 1,000 miles of use, providing excellent traction and peace of mind for the next owner. Overall, this F-150 is a solid, dependable classic pickup that has been maintained and is ready to be driven and enjoyed.
Number 4.
1984 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. This truck has 134,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior paired with a red interior and is powered by a reliable gasoline-fed 5.0L V8 engine. The truck is completely original for its model year, including the factory paint and engine, making it an excellent choice for collectors and classic truck enthusiasts. It comes equipped with air conditioning and runs and drives great, reflecting the care it has received through regular maintenance and oil changes. The truck has never been involved in an accident, is completely rust-free, and remains exceptionally solid throughout. Its long bed configuration adds practicality, while the clean title provides added peace of mind for the next owner.
Number 5.
1982 Ford F-150, price $7,500. It has 163,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission, a 9-inch rear axle, and a two-wheel drive drivetrain. It features a brown exterior matched with a brown interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with factory air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and retains its original radio and interior, which remain in remarkably nice condition for a vehicle of its age. Mechanically, it has received extensive upgrades and restoration work. The engine has been professionally rebuilt, while the transmission has also been rebuilt with extra clutch plates, a new torque converter, and new cooler lines for improved durability and performance. The rear end has been completely rebuilt with new axles, gears, and a race-style limited-slip differential. It also features side-exit dual exhaust with long tube headers, enhancing both performance and sound.
Number 6.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,598. This truck is a well-maintained full-size pickup that has traveled 194,748 miles and is powered by a dependable 5.3L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It features a clean title and comes finished in a tan exterior with a matching tan interior, both of which have been well cared for over the years.
The paint remains in nice condition, while the interior has been kept in excellent shape for its age, reflecting the previous owner's attention to maintenance.
Equipped with a stylish set of wheels and quality tires, this Silverado offers a clean appearance and reliable performance, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable daily driver or work truck.
Number 7.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. This truck is a dependable 4x4 pickup that has been driven 239,000 miles and is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with cold-blowing air conditioning, power windows and door locks, brand new tires, a bed cover, and a slide-out toolbox in the bed, which will remain with the truck. It is driven daily, so the mileage will continue to increase, but it has proven to be reliable and is ready to be driven anywhere with confidence. The only notable cosmetic issue is that it needs a fresh paint job, making it a great opportunity for someone looking for a solid, capable truck with plenty of practical features.
Number 8.
1997 Toyota Tacoma, price $4,995, reliable and practical pickup that is well suited for work, commuting, or everyday driving. It has 214,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission, and is powered by a dependable 4-cylinder gasoline engine with a 2WD drivetrain, offering excellent fuel economy and low operating costs. Finished in a blue exterior with a clean gray interior, the truck has been well cared for and features manual windows, an AM/FM radio, and a tidy, comfortable cabin. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives well, making it a dependable choice for anyone looking for an affordable and efficient truck.
The Tacoma also comes with a nice set of wheels and tires that complement its appearance and road performance. Number 9.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,800. It has 244,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck comes with Riddler 695 wheels and includes most of the parts needed to complete the project, including a spare door, new cab corners, a rear air suspension with a new replacement kit, a new roll pan, an extra stock hood, and new rear rotors and brake pads. It has been stored indoors for the past few years and will need some freshening up before returning to regular use. The power steering line is leaking, the door hinge pins have begun to sag as is common on many Chevrolet trucks of this era, and they will need replacement. The rear quarter panel repair was started but remains unfinished. Additionally, the dashboard lights are currently not functioning, and there may be a coolant hose leak that will need attention.
Number 10.
1994 Ford F-150, price $3,500. This truck has approximately 130,000 miles and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. It features a blue exterior and offers a solid foundation for anyone looking for a capable 4x4 project truck. The truck runs and drives well but could use some TLC, making it an excellent project that can be enjoyed while being restored. It is powered by a 5.0L V8 engine that has been converted to a carbureted setup with an Edelbrock intake manifold and carburetor. The 4x4 drivetrain and 5-speed manual transmission provide a classic driving experience. Several important upgrades have already been completed, including a completely new fuel system, a new water pump, and new carpet.